Sunday, January 1st, 2012. Happy New Year's, everybody. Today is a cold and icy day. We have snow, but it's all ice. It's slush, it's ice. It's freezing cold. Look how icy that is. It's going to get colder today too. Between today through Tuesday, it's supposed to be real cold. 18 degrees with about 5 degrees below zero. But Happy New Year's to myself. I am on my way up to a friend's place up at work. I'm going to go see her. I'm walking up there in this cold, slippery, snowy weather today. Look how cold my hand is. Very cold hand. I have a glove, but I need a hand without a glove to work my camera. This hand has a glove. This one has one too, but I took it off to work my camera. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. It is 32 degrees out and it's very windy. It's the wind that makes today feel real cold. If it wasn't so windy, this 32 degrees wouldn't be so bad. And my hand wouldn't be freezing. We wouldn't have all this ice. This is the Hebron house for the homeless. I know about that place. I used to stay there many years ago. My family and I used to be homeless and stayed here before. I am freezing cold. I have a runny nose. I'm going to go now because I'm freezing. I want to get to my friend's place so I can see her and be warm. I am Ralph Paul Jr. coming to you from Waukesha, Wisconsin on this January 1st, 2012, New Year's Day. Happy New Year's to you all on this cold, freezing, icy day, windy day in Waukesha, Wisconsin.